In the Studio 5 kitchen today, a beautiful spring salad recipe. Oh, this is strawberry avocado salad with honey glazed grilled salmon. A rich and delicious title like that sort of speaks for itself. Today's recipe comes to us from our friend Karen Mangum. You are bringing the color and you are bringing the healthy, as you always do.
I do. As a registered dietitian, that's part of it.
Yes.
But we eat with our senses, and this is a recipe that really brings that to life. It's spring. We don't want to be eating at home as much. We're done with the soups and the casseroles and the stews.
The heavier meals.
The heavier meals. We want to bring more light. And so we're probably grilling outside, perhaps, or we're even eating outside. We're doing more outside, and we don't want to spend as much time in the kitchen.
So this is a good recipe to hit all of those needs.
All those things.
Yes.
Plus, Mother's Day coming up, and if your hubby is one who likes to grill, this is a dish that he actually could do for you.
Turn over the reins on that day.
I agree.
Well, why do you think salmon, I feel like fish in any form is kind of intimidating for home cooks?
I think it is. I don't exactly know why, but I think it has something to do with the fact that it smells your kitchen. It makes it, and we're a little intimidated by maybe overcooking it, but honestly, fish is the easiest thing to cook.
Show us how you've done this.
So stovetop salmon is just as great as even if you grill it outside. So we're just going to take a grill pan, and I'm going to cook the salmon 4 to 5 minutes on each side. I've brushed it with a little bit of olive oil here.
Okay.
So let's take that brush. We're just going to brush that up, and we're going to grill that on the grill pan, stovetop, 4 to 5 minutes aside. And you know it's done when it's a little bit solid and to touch.
Okay.
And it's not translucent, so that's important. So I've got a finished piece of salmon right here. But in the meantime, while that's grilling, we're going to make a little glaze.
Because you didn't season this much at all.
We didn't at all. We're not going to do that until we put the glaze on.
No, even salt and pepper?
You could, but you don't need to because it's going to be in the glaze.
Okay.
So I put olive oil, a little bit of honey. So let's put a tablespoon of honey in here.
Okay.
And then a little bit of salt. And here's the magic, a little bit of what's called liquid smoke. I'm just going to go about a teaspoon of liquid smoke and a little bit of lemon juice because fish and lemon go so well.
Perfect combination.
So you can see I've already got the salt in this. We're just going to glaze that up, and we're going to brush that onto our finished cooked salmon. So that's ready to go.
Okay.
After it's done, you make your glaze and then brush that onto your finished salmon.
How strong is this?
It's very strong.
Yeah.
But it smells like barbecue though.
Yes, it does.
Right?
Yeah, it does.
So it's a little bit of a magic ingredient.
Good way to cheat if you aren't outside.
I agree. It's good in a lot of different things. Okay, let's move over here to the salad dressing. So the salad dressing is very simple. It's very light. We're going to put in about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, which we all love, and then a teaspoon of mustard. And I'm going to bring over a little more of that honey. Okay. So let's bring a little more of that honey, about another tablespoon of honey, because I do love salad dressings that are a little bit sweet.
You are a registered dietitian, aren't you? Reaching for the honey as your sweetener. That's good. That's
or,
good. That's
or agave, or you could do, and a little bit of garlic powder, and then again some salt and pepper. So we've got the seasonings going in right here into our salad dressing.
Is this a dressing that could keep in the fridge?
Absolutely. Oh yeah. So we're just going to blend that up in my cute little mini processor.
That is adorable.
Isn't that awesome?
That's adorable.
Keep that on your counter because you're going to use it a ton.
Cute.
Yeah, and so we'll get that right. Let's pick our salad here. We'll assemble. Why don't you grab the strawberries?
Sure.
I'll grab the feta. We can sprinkle them around, or you can layer them in kind of construction type, deconstructed salad. But I like it like this too. So isn't that pretty?
That is gorgeous.
Now we're going with healthy ingredients that are going to be antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. The strawberries full of vitamins A and C. We've got healthy fats with sliced almonds and the avocado, which I love placing on here.
See, I've done a similar salad combination, but I didn't use the avocado. That's a fun addition this time of year.
It's beautiful this time of year.
And
a little bit of red onion.
Okay.
And then we're going to take our salmon. And of course, this is loaded with rich antioxidants and vitamin E that is so good for our heart.
We can feel good about scraping this plate,
Can you
right?
do this? Look at this. And then we're just going to drizzle our salad dressing right on top.
Yum, Karen.
And you've got this beautiful salad that's there at my website at InsideKaren'sKitchen.com.
I love it. Thank you for sharing. Food's glorious, isn't it?
Food is glorious.
Look at these colors.
Look over here in our finished product. We've got. Now remember that we need to eat not just with our taste sensation, but it's color and visual as well as smell. And the more we can take time, slow down, enjoy our food, I think we're going to have a better relationship with food.
Amen. just say amen. This woman knows her stuff. We'll link you over to her website from ours to make it easy if you want to click over and get more healthy recipes like that. Thanks for the inspiration, Karen.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.